a disease coming from animals biting and leading up to a horrible death. This disease is named rabies that actually comes from a virus, which could infect both human and some animals like dog, cat, fox, squirrel and mouse. Rabies has no treatment yet, and when its main symptoms begin showing themselves, the death of patient is inevitable. But this disease, like other infectious diseases, has an incubation period. From the second that virus enters the body, up to it reaches the brain. The main target of rabies virus is the brain and central nerve system. The most common transmission method of rabies to human is by pouring the infected animal's saliva on open wounds or get bite by that one. A very common belief among people exists that says, the infected animal must be aggressive and restless. But this thought is not true for all infected animals. Some of them may be still calm and not acting as an aggressor. The symptoms of rabies divide into two different groups. First-line symptoms show themselves in incubation period, like itching or tingling of the biting area and becoming red or sometimes hot. In some cases, fever or even body weakness may appear after a while. The main symptoms start when the virus reaches the brain and central nerve system. After the incubation period, this period could last from several days up to several months, depending mainly on the distance of biting area to the brain. Rabies' notorious symptom is the patient's fear of water and liquids, because of severe pain during liquid swallowing process in his throat. Most of infected cases afraid of even a small amount of water they see. Other symptoms are too much sweating, salvia or tears production, irregular heart rhythm and beating, unstable mental state like aggression and restlessness. Rabies has no treatment. When the main symptoms appear, the patient's death takes place in just a couple of days. The only way to confront it is prevention. After a person gets bite by suspicious animal, two things he must do immediately: washing the area with water and soap for 10 to 20 minutes, and going to the nearest medical center for vaccination and antibody injection. Finally, if you have pet, take care of her vaccinations carefully. Although most of rabies-infected animals are wild animals living in nature, but by vaccinating home pets, you will make them immune to any possible threat, both for your pets and your family members. Thanks everyone, and by subscribing our channel, you will support us to make more helpful videos.